You know, at the moment, I'm really interested in learning about the vocabulary and terminology of um, Spanish and English for healthcare. So I'm taking a class called Spanish for Healthcare Professionals, and I'm learning a lot. I feel like I'm learning a lot um, about the different vocabulary and different terms for different, parts of the body and, different ailments and diseases and things like that. And, I definitely want to continue to travel down this road, at least for the moment, and see where it takes me. I would like to kind of put my, the things I've learned to use as far as maybe, helping as a medical interpreter or, a translator. You know, I definitely enjoy the classes and I enjoy learning about, you know, the different current events in healthcare and what's going on. And I feel like it's a good field to be in as far as job security and job growth and also the earnings too. You know. And I wanted to be in the medical field previously, but I wasn't really drawn to any of the traditional jobs in the medical field, like a doctor or a surgeon. But I feel like the like being a medical interpreter kind of gives me a way to get into the medical field without having to, go to school for like a super long time, and also being able to use, what I've acquired in my path right now to be an interpreter, like to do something in the medical field. I wouldn't have to go back to school, you know. I could keep going forward. It feels like to me. I have a degree in a bachelor's of arts in anthropology and a bachelor's of arts in Spanish. And, I definitely want to find a way to combine them, and I feel like being a medical interpreter would allow me to do that. But for the moment, I haven't taken a medical interpretation course yet. I'm using this Spanish for healthcare professionals class as sort of a um, kind of like a boot camp or introduction to take the medical interpretation course. It's definitely giving me the tools to be successful when I take that course. Um, you know, I actually had applied to take a medical interpretation course, but my speaking skills weren't up to par. So lately, I've been trying to seek out opportunities to, increase my spoken language ability and to improve upon it. So, I've been trying to do kind of like um, language exchanges. Not so much language exchanges, but kind of like conversation, not, well, hmm, not classes, but conversation groups, joining a conversation group. There's also like, speaking or trying to maybe attend the church that speaks Spanish. I've thought about that. I haven't gone through with it or anything, but that's an option. And also, of course, know continue to watch television in Spanish and read articles in Spanish. You know, I definitely want to continue down this path and see where it takes me. I hope it takes me to a place where I feel like I'm doing something good and enjoying it and earning a decent amount of money doing it. So thanks a lot for watching my video, and I'll probably do an update probably when I complete the course. I'm about I'm about to go into the third week, and it's a 6-week course. And there's about 3 people in the class, altogether 4 people, including the teacher and myself. So it's really small. I've never been in a class that was that small. But I like, at first I was like, well, I was kind of thinking, maybe there should be a bit more people. But I'm kind of glad there isn't a whole bunch of people, because then we can get more hands-on time with the teacher. And I'm glad that the organization went through with doing the course with just 3 people. I'm not sure if they're used to just having 3 people or having more, but I'm definitely thinking that maybe I got in while the getting was good. So again, thanks for watching my video. Sorry for going on for so long, and come back soon. I'll have some more updates for you. Thanks a lot. And also feel free to make comments.